चड पारदर्शकता आनी जापसालदारकेची गरज आसा अशें सांगून वार्का पंच वांगडी शेरॉन आलेमाव हांणी वार्का पंचायत कार्यालयांत CCTV कॅमेरा लावपाची मागणी करून BDOची भेट घेतली. CCTV लावपाची परत परत मागणी पंचायतीन दुर्लक्ष केल्ल्याचो आरोप तिणें केला. तशेंच उच्च न्यायालयान दरेक पंचायतीत CCTV कॅमेरा लावपाक निर्देश दिला असोय तांणी दावो केला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Today there was an ordinary meeting in a Panchayat. I'm a Panch member from Varca village Panchayat, Sharon, Alemao. So we had an ordinary meeting, and in that meeting we started off the meeting at around 11 o'clock. The minutes were read. The secretary signed the minute book, and after which the Sarpanch said she had some 2 minutes inspection. She'll go and come. After which she came at around 11:45 or say 12 o'clock. Okay. After she came, the secretary went, and he said he has some inspection with the BDO. And then the Sarpanch said that we'll have the meeting later in the day. We will call you. So I just walked off the meeting and I wrote an application saying that I will not attend such a meeting and we need to cancel the meeting. After which I don't know whether they have kept the meeting on or it's closed. Also, I asked about the CCTV footage, which is a requirement now in our Panchayat, I feel, after what has happened today, because they cannot keep the Panch members waiting for so long for a meeting. If the meeting timing is given at 10:30, they should follow the rules and finish the meeting on time. And again, since the High Court has made it mandatory that the CCTV should be there in the Panchayat, I request our Varca Panchayat to have it at the earliest, because transparency in a Panchayat is very important for the people as well as for us Panch members. That's the reason I'm saying if you have the CCTV footage, things will be more transparent. Because I'm just one Panch member, I cannot talk about the illegalities happening, but as said, there are issues which are happening in a Panchayat, and if you have a CCTV footage, things will be much clearer.
कितली दिसांनी वेट करपाक लायना अशें एक्चुअली
we get 7 days prior notice. So like this meeting, the notice was served 7 days prior, and even the circulars had come to the secretary that there is inspection in 3 places with the BDO. So after that, if they are taking a meeting and they're keeping the Panch members waiting, it does not follow the protocol, and I don't believe in sitting in a meeting when the protocols are not followed. This price what I have taken, this should go out to the Panchayat of Varca that they should have the CCTV footage at the earliest, because the director of Panchayat circular is not required to put the CCTV. The High Court order is mandatory. And for the meeting, I asked the Panch members when will they put the CCTV, and the answer was that the circular has to come from the director of Panchayat. But today I went to the BDO and I checked with the BDO. The BDO has clearly said if the High Court has given it as mandatory, they should put the CCTV at the earliest. So I request the Varca Panchayat to put the CCTV at the earliest, so that there is transparency in our Panchayat and they don't keep Panch members waiting for a meeting.
So BDO told you that he will write a letter or something to Panchayat?
Yeah, he will send a memorandum, but he said that if there is a High Court order come that you have to put the CCTV, you don't have to wait for the director of Panchayat circular. We require transparency in our Panchayat, because people take RTIs to find out what has happened in the meetings. So if we have the CCTV, people don't have to put RTIs, because we as Panchayat are elected because of our people. So people should have the right for transparency in our Panchayat, and that's the reason I'm saying the CCTV should be at the earliest, so that people are allowed to see what's happening in the meetings and what is the transparency in the meeting.